I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn page, and then I'm going to take it one step further by showing you how to automate all of the posting to the LinkedIn company page, and then how you can share that LinkedIn post to your personal profile. Let's jump over to my screen and start the process. The first thing that you want to do is head over to LinkedIn and go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, head over to the For Business icon and select it. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a Create a Company page. Depending on what you're trying to achieve will dictate which style LinkedIn page you'll be utilizing, but for this video, we're just going to be using the company page. So if you're a small, medium or large business, this is the type that you want to select. Next, you'll fill in your name, a unique LinkedIn address, your website, industry, your organization size, type, upload your logo, which should be 300 by 300 pixels, and a tagline. Then authorize and do create page. Once you've created your page, head over to your profile icon, scroll down, and you should see under manage the company and then the page name. When you click on that, it will take you to the page where you can start filling everything out. At this point, pretty self-explanatory, because you'll have this pop-up navigation that will give you all of the steps that you need to take in order to complete your page. And that's really as simple as setting up a LinkedIn page is. But let's get into the fun bit where we start automating our posts. In order to start automating our posts, we're going to have to use something called a no-code solution software. A no-code solution software is a software that has pre-built code and stuff like that, where we just click and point and we can start setting up our own automations and our own system. We can also connect all of the different softwares that we already use in one, and we can get some really nifty systems going that can automate us out of the business. Now that we're inside the Zapier dashboard, we'll head over to create a Zap, then select on trigger. We're going to select the schedule option and we're going to choose the event as every day. Do continue, and then we'll select the time of day. For me, I'm going to do about 10 a.m. Then do continue and test step. Next, we're going to select the action and we're going to type in ChatGPT. For those of you who don't know what ChatGPT is, it's AI. So we can give ChatGPT prompt, and then from those prompts, ChatGPT will create text all about what we've asked it to do. For the event, we're going to do conversation and continue. We'll then connect our account. And now for the user message, we're going to say, create a motivational quote about success. I'm going to change the model to the latest version, which is this one here. We're then going to enter a memory key. And what this basically does is it will store the information of all the past outputs that ChatGPT creates for us, in this case the motivational quote, so it won't repeat itself. You can actually name this anything you want, just don't use fancy characters. Then go to continue and test step. That's now finished, so let's have a look at what it's generated for us. Success isn't just about reaching the peak, it's about embracing the climb, overcoming obstacles and savoring the lessons along the journey that make the view from the top truly worth it. Looking good. So now that we have our post, we're going to go ahead and connect our LinkedIn account, and the way we do that is by clicking the add step, typing in LinkedIn. For the event, we're going to do create a company update and do continue, then do continue, and we will select our page that we want to post to. For the content, we're going to select the input field, go to step 2, scroll all the way down to the reply field. So now that will share that motivational quote that we just generated, but this field is dynamic, meaning every single time this will automatically run, it will replace what we've just seen with the new information, the new quote. We'll then scroll down, do continue and test step. So now that's been published to LinkedIn, let's head over to our LinkedIn page. I'm going to scroll down and let's go ahead and do refresh. And here is the quote it's just done. Now, how can we share this post to our personal LinkedIn profile? If we head back over to Zapier, we can now duplicate this LinkedIn action, click on the new one. Under the event, we'll then do create share update, do continue, continue. We'll then add the comment, which is, have you seen this? And then we can go to step 3 and then add the URL. We can then do continue and then test step. And if we head back over to our LinkedIn account, go to our profile, scroll down, there's our post. Have you seen this? And the URL is shortened and it links us straight to our page. Now, what you've just seen is an incredibly simplistic automation for LinkedIn. But when you become a brainyautomations.com member, I actually show you how to not only create valuable LinkedIn posts, but also how to make them sound like you. Not so robotic, show you how to do some loopholey stuff with Zapier that will allow you to create more than just 1 or 2 posts a day, but also have full control of how many posts actually go out. Basically, from what you've just seen, think of what you can learn inside the Brainy Automations training as something on steroids. So when this does run, instead of producing something quite generic, it will actually produce something like this. And go ahead and pause your screen to have a read of this. I do hope you've enjoyed today's training. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them below, and I'll see you in the next video.